Someone's getting a visit from the shoebox fairy. And she's given us a special gift. A puppy! Aw, I'd say that this dog's a real good boy. But something tells me that it's a girl. Especially since she's having puppies. Aw, puppies, the gift that keeps on giving. Welcome to your new home, little mama. Here's something the vet ordered. Doggy medicine. Knew we should have led with a spoonful of sugar. Or kibble. How about we make things more comfortable? You're as snug as a bug in a rug. And more importantly, you need to stay warm and cozy. But our little perrito burrito needs special filling. Here, this baby bottle's just what you need. It's time for Doggy's daily massage. Come on, work those fingers. Take care of those knots. Massage those temples. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Pampering can be such a chore sometimes. Especially for him. But who said you were done?
Oh no!
Need a break? Well, we know someone who can take over. This dancing squid can release all your tension. And look pretty groovy while doing it too. Anyone in the mood for calamari? I think it's time for a little grooming. Show us those claws. We need to keep you in place in our new doggy bag. Come on, you'll fit right inside. Ooh, how's the weather up there? And now, a trimming we will go. Just in time, too. We're late for a very important date. Time for some fresh air. Touch some grass, little doggy. Or maybe some nice pavement. Wow, this show sure is getting good. It's so colorful and, you know, kind of relaxing. Puppy's dreaming she's under the sea. And you know what that means. Cue the bubbles. Anyone in the mood to burst some bubbles? Nothing beats some time in an octopus's garden. Even if it's only in your dreams. Ooh, now that's what I call a doggy bag. Oh no! Our precious food! Oh, Ben, watch your step. Well, hope you had a nice trip. But maybe we should find another way to give out the treats.
Wow!
Take this cool tool and fill it with kibble. It's so simple. Puppy just needs to lift a paw. And the food practically comes to her. It's so fun, she might almost forget to eat. Don't worry, this floor will be cleared in no time. Oh, Christmas came early. You've got a gift. Though I don't think he'll write you a thank you note. Oh, he didn't mean to be ungrateful. Maybe you can make it up to her somehow. How about a creepy crawly of your very own? It doubles as a great workout routine, too. After all, you really shouldn't forget leg day. Especially when you've got 4 of them. But be careful, this little guy can climb walls. Guess that's why they call it a climbing toy. Time for dessert. And have we got a menu? Of course, this pooch doesn't do chocolate. How about we have some fun with our food? Our starters, some kibble stuffed ravioli. Plus some kibble in the antipasti. And lattice pie. Don't forget the side salad. Always nice to have a balanced spread of kibble. Oh, so you already like the selection? Well, we've got another surprise up our sleeve. And it's got a lot of appeal. Mashed banana. Smashed right to table, with berries on top. Think she'll like it? She likes it! Puppy likes it! Her compliments to the chef. Puppy really needs to wipe her paws before coming in. Well, someday your prince will come.
Oh no!
Yeah. And it looks like that day is today. It also looks like today is someone's bath day. We've even got special dog shampoo to help. Mix it with water and make sure to get behind those ears. It usually isn't nice to spit, but this is for the greater good. You know the orders. Lather, rinse, repeat. Especially that last part. We want our pooch looking her best. Now things are gonna get wet around here real fast. All done. Let's wrap you up in a towel. Isn't it nice to have your own personal groomer? Everyone should be so lucky. Oh, who's a good girl? Oh, shedding season came early this year. The beard suits you, but there are other things we can do with hair. That's gotta hurt. Oh, wait, never mind. Fill up the pup.
Wow.
Now you'll always have a furry friend by your side. Pets might be cute, but they don't always make the best models. Never works with kids or animals. Don't worry, we just need to rethink this. This will give your pup that fresh kissed look. Now give your dog a treat, like their favorite gravy. And soon, your pup will be the next big social media star. Careful, kitty! The cat catcher's on the prowl! Oh, won't someone save this cat? Don't worry, this girl's got your back. Now let's get you out of this net. And get you ready to see the vet. Okay, that doesn't look good. Maybe this'll help. Clear! Well, that didn't work. Wait, I think she's got an idea. It's time we unleash our secret weapon. Cat food. It just might do the trick. Hey, are you gonna finish that? Now that you're all better inside, let's fix you up on the outside too. Our special glove will do the trick. It's time for some serious petting. Ooh, look what the cat dragged in. Let's clean those dirty paws. This soap dispenser should help. Or at least make things a lot more fun. Now it's time for a little brushing. But now let's put it into overdrive. And massage all your worries away. Honestly, pressure never felt so good. Oh no, your bracelet! What can we do with all these beads? Let's use them for a craft. Make a paw print. And place some beads inside. Keep it in place with some epoxy resin. When it dries, turn it over and dig. Kinda like looking for buried treasure. But our real treasure's right here. Snack time. Oh, looks like Mom's back. How do you want to explain the cat? Or better yet, should we put this banana peel to better use? Nobody here except us bananas. It's not the right time to introduce you two to each other. Ooh, I choose you, Pikachu. Hey, isn't he a mouse Pokemon? Uh-oh, but it's all right. We can fix him. Just add some parts to an old tube. Ooh, Pikachu's gotten taller. Now wrap some rope around the tube. And don't forget his other parts. He's like a brand new scratching post. And I think he's ready for a new play date. Aw, now play nice, you two. What do we have here? A wood stick. Now let's add it to a wooden square. A nice hinge will keep it in place. Gotta keep it nice and secure. But now, we're gonna add some layers. Like a nice midsection. And now for the top floor. It's a little hard. Let's get something soft. Like a bunch of pillows. Oh, look, they fit right in. What else can we use? Ah, curtains. Now let's make some cuts. And tie it around the structure. Pretty soon, you've got a new canopy bed. Ah, this cat tree looks like a lot of fun. Ah, please tell me that's just juice.
Ew.
Well, that sock's seen better days.
Ew.
That mini toilet could be useful. Let's fill it up with kitty litter. And let our feline friend try it out. Well, I'll get the scoop. Hey, what's under here? Books! This'll come in handy as our new cat staircase. Of course, cats always land on their feet. Ooh, the cookies are burning. And while she's not looking, Luna's in the mood for chicken. Let's get you some lunch. Smear some food on this licking mat. That takes care of Kitty. So, who wants pizza? Oh no! That's your second favorite plant! Good catch. Here's an idea. Collect some old feathers and add them to your shoes. Now you can keep an eye on Luna's playtime. It's time to start another day. Oh, can we borrow this towel? All we need is a little rope belt. Wow, everyone's so generous today. Add it inside. Make twists and turns, and you've got a tiny hammock. All that's left is to hang it up. Let's make one for the cat, too. Time for a well-deserved snack. Uh-oh, that's gonna leave a stain. I guess we could just cover it up. Looks like the cat got to it first. We could just do the laundry. But this fur remover should do the trick. Now it's as good as new. Uh-oh! Oh, what is it with this cat and plants? It's okay. Add a sock to a glass. Fill it up with seeds and soil. Water it, and soon it'll grow. Wow, that was quick.
Wow!
Add some eyes. And now, it's your cat's new best friend. Or snack. Either way, this cat prefers food with a face. Aw, makes you wish you had a feline friend. Nothing a little scrolling can't fix.